Are you struggling to get a good night's sleep and wake up feeling refreshed? Quality sleep is essential for your overall well-being, but many of us find it challenging to achieve. In this video, we'll explore practical tips and strategies to help you sleep better and improve your overall sleep quality. By the end, you'll have actionable steps to transform your sleep routine. Be sure to stick around until the end for a cheat sheet of tips to help you sleep better tonight. The importance of better sleep. Before diving into the tips, let's understand why better sleep matters. Quality sleep is crucial for maintaining physical health, mental clarity, and emotional balance. When you get enough restorative sleep, you experience enhanced cognitive function. Adequate sleep improves memory, concentration, and decision-making. It helps your brain process information and consolidate memories, making you more alert and capable throughout the day. Improved physical health. Sleep plays a vital role in physical health by supporting immune function, regulating hormones, and aiding muscle repair. Quality sleep can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Better emotional regulation. A good night's sleep helps manage stress and mood. Proper rest supports emotional stability, reducing the risk of anxiety and depression, and enhancing your overall mood and resilience. Increased productivity. When you sleep well, you're more productive and efficient. Better sleep improves your ability to focus, solve problems, and perform tasks effectively, leading to better outcomes in both personal and professional settings. Tips for better sleep. Here are some practical tips to help you achieve better sleep and wake up feeling rejuvenated. 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal body clock. Consistency reinforces your sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Aim for a regular schedule, even on weekends, to maintain your sleep rhythm. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Develop a calming pre-sleep routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Activities like reading a book, listening to soothing music, or practicing gentle yoga can help relax your mind and prepare you for restful sleep. Avoid stimulating activities before bed. 3. Optimize your sleep environment. Make your bedroom a sleep-friendly environment. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet to promote restful sleep. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your preferred sleep position. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or white noise machines to minimize disruptions. 4. Limit exposure to screens. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Try to avoid screens, such as phones, tablets, and computers, at least an hour before bedtime. Opt for relaxing, non-digital activities to help prepare your mind for sleep. 5. Watch your diet. Pay attention to what you eat and drink, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime, as they can disrupt sleep. Instead, opt for light snacks if you're hungry, and focus on a balanced diet throughout the day. 6. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity promotes better sleep quality by helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. However, avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime, as it may be stimulating. 7. Manage stress and anxiety. stress and anxiety can significantly impact your sleep quality. Incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine, such as deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation. Addressing stress proactively can help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. 8. Limit naps. While short naps can be beneficial, long or irregular napping during the day can interfere with nighttime sleep. If you need to nap, limit it to 20–30 minutes and avoid napping late in the afternoon. This helps ensure that you're tired enough to fall asleep easily at night. 9. Avoid stimulants before bed. Certain substances, such as caffeine and nicotine, are stimulants that can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Try to avoid consuming these substances in the late afternoon and evening to ensure they don't disrupt your sleep patterns. 10. Create a sleep-inducing environment. Consider incorporating elements into your bedroom that promote relaxation. Aromatherapy, such as lavender essential oil, can create a soothing atmosphere. Soft, calming colors and comfortable bedding also contribute to a sleep-inducing environment. Overcoming common sleep challenges. Improving sleep quality can sometimes be challenging. Here's how to tackle common sleep issues. 1. Difficulty falling asleep. If you have trouble falling asleep, try establishing a relaxing bedtime routine and sticking to a consistent sleep schedule. Avoiding stimulating activities and screens before bed can also help. If problems persist, consider consulting a healthcare professional. 2. Frequent night wakings. If you find yourself waking up frequently during the night, assess factors such as your sleep environment, diet, and stress levels. Creating a comfortable and quiet sleep space, managing stress, and avoiding heavy meals close to bedtime can help reduce night wakings. 3. Waking up too early. Waking up too early can be frustrating. Ensure that you're following a consistent sleep schedule and avoid napping too late in the day. If you consistently wake up too early, evaluate your bedtime and overall sleep routine to make necessary adjustments. 4. Sleep disorders. If you suspect you have a sleep disorder, such as insomnia or sleep apnea, consult a healthcare professional. Proper diagnosis and treatment are essential for managing these conditions and improving your overall sleep quality. Conclusion. Better sleep is essential for maintaining optimal health and well-being. By implementing these practical tips and strategies, you can enhance your sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Prioritizing sleep can have a profound impact on your physical health, mental clarity, and overall productivity. Don't forget to check out the cheat sheet at the end of this video for a quick reference to the top tips for better sleep. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more restful and rejuvenating night's sleep. Cheat sheet of tips for better sleep. 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. 3. Optimize your sleep environment. 4. Limit exposure to screens. 5. Watch your diet. 6. Exercise regularly. 7. Manage stress and anxiety. 8. Limit naps. 9. Avoid stimulants before bed. 10. Create a sleep-inducing environment.